Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on disappearing messages on Instagram chat. So for the end of this, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application. Then click on the chat icon at the top right. Now locate the chat where you want to turn on disappearing messages. Click on that. Then click on the profile name. Once you selected the profile name, locate and click on disappearing messages. Then here, you should see where you can set your disappearing messages. You can set for once they are seen, 24 hours or 7 days. So just go ahead and select your disappearing messages settings. Once you choose the best option, then hit the back button. Now if you spot that says not all messages need to stick around. Now go ahead and click on OK. And then if you spot that says you turn on disappearing messages, new messages will disappear 7 days after they are sent, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to turn on disappearing messages on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.